Today I will show you how to cut a clip on Final Cut Pro, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to load up the clip that you want to cut. Now you can see I have my project and I have the file under my project. Now there's a simple way to cut a clip on Final Cut Pro, and that involves holding the Command and B button. But first of all, you're going to place your pointer where you want to cut the clip. So let's say we want to cut the clip here. You're going to press the Command plus B button, B for boy, and it's going to cut it up. If you want to cut it somewhere else, you can move the pointer and it's going to cut it up. Now if you rather use the cutting tool on Final Cut Pro, what you can do is you can come to this arrow here, click on the button, and then you come to blade. Now once you click on blade, it's going to give you the scissors that's going to allow you to cut through any clip that you want. So what you're going to do is just similar to the first one, you're going to move the pointer to where you want to cut, and once you click on it, it's going to be able to cut, and you can move clips that you've cut anyhow you want it. Now that's how to cut a clip on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.